In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for a job at Amtrak. Whether you're looking to advance your career or simply seeking new opportunities, applying for a job at Amtrak can be a rewarding step. To get started, you'll want to navigate to the Amtrak Careers website. This is your primary gateway to explore the diverse range of positions Amtrak has to offer. Just type careers.amtrak.com into your browser, and you'll find a host of opportunities awaiting your discovery. Once you're on the website, the next step is to search for jobs. Amtrak offers an intuitive search function that allows you to filter potential roles by keywords, location, or job category. This is incredibly helpful in zeroing in on positions that align with your skills and career aspirations. Take the time to explore different categories, as Amtrak's operations span a wide array of fields. This search functionality is designed to make your exploration efficient and tailored to your unique career goals. After you've identified a role that fits your profile, it's time to apply online. Select the position you're interested in, and then click the Apply button. This will lead you to an online application form. Filling this out thoroughly and accurately is crucial. Ensure that your resume is up to date and tailored to the job description provided. Craft a strong and concise cover letter if the application process calls for one. When you're ready, submit your application. This is an important moment in your job-seeking journey as it moves your interest in Amtrak from the virtual exploration phase to actively expressing your desire to join their team. Once your application is submitted, be on the lookout for a confirmation email. This will serve as an official acknowledgement from Amtrak's recruitment team that your application has been received successfully. If you don't receive this email, it might mean your application wasn't properly submitted. In such a case, double-check the email address you provided and ensure there were no mistakes or missed steps. If needed, reach out via Amtrak support channels for further assistance. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to applying for a job at Amtrak. We hope this video helps make your application process smoother and brings you a step closer to securing a great opportunity with Amtrak. Remember, every application brings new learning and insight, and perseverance is key in any job search. Good luck with your application, and we hope to see you on the Amtrak team soon. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.